I noticed that I was beginning to run out of storage in my Google Drive because of the projects I was doing and sending over to clients. And that's when it dawned on me that there's gotta be another way. And then I came across frame.io, and I just wanted to give my 2 cents on it because I feel like I haven't seen a lot of people talk about it. And I really like using Adobe Frame.io, and I really enjoy using it because it allows you to just like export the file from inside Premiere Pro. So I use Premiere Pro to edit, and you can export it from there. And other people don't need to have an account. They just need to go to the link that you share to be able to download it. The only thing though is I think you have to pay extra if you want people to view it but not download it. And honestly, in my experience, sometimes with these brands, they want to be able to download the file and share it with other people to get the feedback that is needed. So it just makes sense that maybe you put some watermark on it and allow them to download it so that they can have those discussions because it's important. I wanted to recommend Adobe Frame.io for anyone that is looking to share their UGC work or their brand collaborations with the brands and get them to give feedback. I once did a project where I sent the video over to the brand and they wanted to give me some feedback, and I noticed that the person did a Loom video so that they are able to talk about like where exactly that feedback is being given for. And when you use Frame.io, you can actually just like stop your cursor at a certain point and add a comment, and it's gonna tie back to that timestamp of the video. It makes editing and feedback and teamwork and collaboration so much easier. So if you've tried it, I'd love to hear what you think. And if you haven't tried it, I want to know if you have any questions at all, and I'm happy to talk about it a bit more.